Has your sarcastic comment ever gotten you in trouble? Do your relationships suffer because people can't read tone? Do you ever wish voice memos were more popular so you wouldn't have to include slash s at the end of your text? Do you ever
Get
think
on
that,
with it!
well, do we have the product for you? Hi, I'm Emma, and I'd like to introduce you to our life changing product, the Sarcasm Detector 2000. In this day and age, people communicate via text more than speech. For sarcastic people, that introduces a unique problem. You cannot read tone. This introduces scenarios where jokes are misconstrued as serious and people's feelings get hurt and miscommunication becomes rampant. We decided to address this issue. Our program reads in a file of 500,000 sarcastic comments and stores each word and the frequency it appears in the file. Then, our program reads a separate file of 500,000 non sarcastic comments and filters out the words that appear in both. We did this to eliminate words that are commonly used in all English sentences, such as the and a, and to only leave words that are explicitly used in sarcastic comments. Our program reads in all the data, then presents three options. Number one, view the top 10 most used sarcastic words. Number two, input a word and get its sarcasm rating. And number three, quit the program.
Our program uses a 26-array tree and a hash table to independently hold the data. The 26-array tree is made up of a tree and its nodes. The tree holds the root node and contains functions to add, remove, search, and print words. The nodes contain a letter value, a count, a map of its subletters, and a pointer to its parent's node.
The hash table is backed by an array of vectors. The table reads in a word, runs it through a hash function to get the index of where to store the word, and then stores the word at that index. If there is already a value at that index, it gets pushed to the end of the vector. If the word already exists in the vector, it increments the frequency count. After each selection, our program outputs the data calculated by each data structure and the time taken to execute the instruction.
If you press 1 and hit enter, you'll see the top 10 most sarcastic words from the tree and from the hash table. You'll see that each result has a value of its entries, which matches the other data structure. And you can see at the bottom here the time taken by each data structure. So the tree took 55 milliseconds to come up with the list, and the hash table took 9 milliseconds. All right, now we'll search for a sarcasm rating of the word. And I don't know, what's a sarcastic word?
Clearly.
Clearly. There's a good one. Clearly. The sarcasm rating of clearly is 5,579, and both the tree and the hash table took less than a nanosecond to get that result. So very fast and thrilling. And for number 3, you can see how nice it is to quit our program, and it'll tell you have a fantastic day.